How to fix I Am Legion Stand Survivors crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now from the general tab under launch options, you want to type -dx11, or you can try -d3d11 if it keeps crashing. And then you want to go to the installed files, click on verify game files and wait for this process to finish. Now, once this is done, you want to make sure that you have the redistributables installed. Open up your browser, search for redist in a new tab. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 versions, both of these redistributables. And once you install them or repair an existing installation, it will most likely ask you to restart your system. But before you do that, you'll also need to make sure that you have the latest graphics card update driver installed. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section, and from here select Game Ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest available update. And if you have a laptop or integrated GPU, you will need to open up your browser, search for your computer models, for example HP15S followed by driver, and click on the first manufacturer link. From here you'll be able to select your Windows version, and it should give you all the available updates that you can install. So you can expand the graphics card updates and download the latest versions from here. And once you're done, you can proceed to restart your system by clicking on the restart. And once your system is restarted, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And now you can launch the game, and this should fix the crashes. Thanks for watching and subscribe.